Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'd like to show you how to make a collard green salad. Yes, we're not going to cook the collard greens, we are going to make a salad with it, as if the greens were lettuce. Everything I'm going to show you is vitamin C impacted. We have the carrots, collard greens, the tomatoes, and green apple. Okay, so something different, right? You know, greens have a lot of fiber. That's very, very important. The apple has fiber, so you can see right away that you'll get your daily dose of fiber because you're going to have this vitamin C, the fiber to push it through. Okay? Alright, so let's do it. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. Thank you. Okay, so I bought a bunch of collard greens. This is half of the bunch, and I sliced it in thin slices. Okay? Alright, so let's put that in our bowl. Okay, now we have our collard greens in the bowl, and by the way, you don't have to use collard greens, you can use kale, okay, or whatever kind of greens you like, okay? Alright, so now the first thing I want to do is I want to season the greens. So let's go with, I want to go with some Sassoon everything, or you can just do salt and pepper if you like. I want a little herb and some of everything on mine. Very little pepper. Okay, now I'm going to start adding in my items. Here's I grated these carrots with a grater. I'll put that in. This is one medium-sized tomato. Put that in. And by the way, let me show you this. So this is one of the pieces of collard green. This is one leaf. So this vein here you want to take out, so you just come right down the edge, down the middle, and take this part out. This is the part that is not going to be soft enough for you to chew. You can chew it, but it's very hard. Okay, and this is one green apple that I have soaking in lemon juice. The purpose of soaking this in the lemon juice is so it doesn't turn brown. Pouring the water off. Okay, so I poured the lemon juice water off. I'm going to add that. Okay, now I want to mix this up. Boy, the color's coming through. Okay, so now I want to add some dressing to that. 1 second. I'm going to add some honey mustard. I'm on a honey mustard kick these days, but whatever salad dressing you like, it's fine. Okay. I'm going to add the honey mustard because it's kind of a sweeter taste, and also, you know, greens are not really sweet, so I'm bringing something to the table. So you got the sweetness of the apple, and then you got the honey mustard. Definitely a punch of sweetness coming in. Natural stuff. Natural. Okay, and you try to bring some vegetables like the tomatoes and the apples up so that you can have a nice looking garnishment. There we go. Now I'm going to just add some apples on the top of that. You soak the apples in lemon juice so you're not worried about it turning. Okay, let me wash my hands. Okay, I'm going to clean the sides of my bowl. As you can see, it's a mess, right? So you take your finger, you put it in the paper towel, like so, and you go around like this. One time to get the excess off, the next time to get it nice and clean. Okay. Now let's make sure our garnishment is looking good. Straightening out some spots so that we can get the best appearance. Alright, now I want to do one layer of honey mustard going across all the way. How do you like that? Ready for your table? Okay. Okay, let me come right back and give you the word of the day. Okay, I decided that I want to add some croutons before I'm going to call it quits. So I'm going to take the croutons and stand it up right along the edge, here and there. And I have, I'm alternating my color. Oh, this is looking pretty. Looking like a little design. Almost there. One last one. Look at that, guys. What about some croutons right there in the middle? I think I would like that. What do you think? Huh? Does that look pretty? Yeah? Okay. Now I'll give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is a cook. There are cooks that cook just to put the meal on the table. There are cooks who cook to impress. There are cooks who put their heart in it. They really love it. They try to perfect it. So what type of cook are you? You be the judge, okay? That's the word of the day, a cook. Okay, so let me taste the salad. Okay. And as the collard green salad sit in the refrigerator a couple of days, the greens will get softer and softer. Okay. Okay, so the apple comes right through immediately, and then you feel the texture of the greens and the tomatoes. Really, really good. And that mustard salad dressing, on point. Okay, love you, love you, love you. Share the video, thumbs up, subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. It's been great serving you. I really love it, okay? Okay, bye-bye.